Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ray Upchurch. Welcome to the Treyhart channel. Today, I want to talk to you about weightlifting for fat loss. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or tone up your body, weightlifting is a fantastic way to achieve your goals. But if you're new to fitness, weightlifting can be intimidating, which is why I've created this beginner guide. And if you stick around to the end, I have included a 7-day dumbbell workout just for you. Before we dive into weightlifting, let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, weightlifting can help you burn fat. When you lift weights, you're building lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. What this means is that you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. Plus, weightlifting can help you preserve muscle mass while you're losing weight. When you lose weight, you typically lose both fat and muscle. But if you're weightlifting, you're sending signals to your body to hold on to the muscle, which can help prevent your metabolism from slowing down. Now let's talk about how to get started with weightlifting. If you're new to fitness, it's important to start with the proper form. This will help you avoid injury and maximize your results. You can start with body weight exercises such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises will help you build a foundation of strength and stability before moving on to using weights. When you're ready to get started lifting weights, it's important to focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. This will help you get more out of your workouts and save you time. Examples of compound exercises includes squats, deadlifts, bench presses, pull-ups, and rows. It's also important to have a plan when lifting weights. This means choosing the right exercises, the right number of sets and reps, and the right amount of weight. You can find beginner weightlifting programs online or hire a personal trainer to help you create a plan that's tailored towards your goal. Finally, don't forget about nutrition. If you're trying to lose fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit. This means eating fewer calories than you're burning. But you also need to make sure you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt. Okay, thank you for sticking around. And now for the bonus 7-day workout that I promised you. So if you haven't already done so, get a pen and paper and get ready to write this down. Please note, you should always check with your doctor before starting any exercise routine. This program assumes that you as the beginner have a set of dumbbells of varying weights. It is also important to start with lighter weights and gradually increase the weights as you get stronger. Remember to warm up properly before each workout and cool down and stretch afterwards. And always listen to your body. If you feel something doesn't feel right, stop and consult a professional. Don't forget to rest 30 seconds between each set and at least 1 to 2 minutes between each new exercise. Okay, here we go. Day 1, we're going to concentrate on the upper body. So we're going to start out with dumbbell chest press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tricep extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And day 2, we're going to concentrate on the lower body. These are going to be goblet squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, each leg that is. Calf raises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. On day 3, give yourself a body rest. Day 4, we're going to concentrate on the upper body. Dumbbell pullover, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Single arm rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each arm. Dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell lateral raises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And day 5, we're going to concentrate on the lower body. So we're going to do a Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps each legs. Dumbbell Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell step-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, each leg that is. Dumbbell calf raises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And then on day 6, we're going to rest. Day 7, we're going to concentrate on the full body. So we're going to start off with dumbbell squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell chest press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Single arm rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, each arm that is. Dumbbell overhead press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tricep extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each leg. So that's it for today's beginner guide to weightlifting for fat loss. I hope you found this video very helpful. Remember, weightlifting can be intimidating at first, but with the right plan and mindset, anyone can do it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. Thank you for watching. This is Ray Upchurch. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.